Massachusetts. In Boston. This is a test of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard.
What?
To warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm feature. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, east and west of the region. In that case, the test will be split on regular programming. We now return to our regular programming. QRV 11.
Something's gotta give with no weather radio, man. I don't know what the hell is going on with all these bugs and shit, but like...
2.63, giving a relative humidity.
Back up here. Like, I had near perfect reception the whole time. But I was still noticing, listening to the broadcast before the test, that the broadcast was still freezing. And WNG575 has been looping the off-the-air message about twice a day now for the last week. I'm at a loss for words.